Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate live caption for your video in Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my laptop with Windows 11, and first of all we need to go to the Windows setting and activate the live caption feature. Go to your setting and go to the accessibility setting, and you're going to scroll down until you find captions. Okay, then you can activate the live caption here. All right, and as you can see, we need to press the Windows logo key plus Control and L to turn the live captions on. But when the first time you activate the live caption, you need to download the language, and here I have downloaded. So I just need to open up my video and the live caption will be automatically shown. Okay, I'm going to play this video for example. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export your video as an image. And this is for the live caption. You can place this caption on any part of your video. I'm just going to place it right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn on live caption in Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!